Guys, so I just came back from the grocery store, getting like the second half of my Thanksgiving dinner. I just have to go back to the store one more time. The store that I went to today did not have everything that I needed, so this is what I was able to get from the store. So this is just a little grocery haul slash Thanksgiving grocery haul. So I have my cheese for my macaroni. I like to use a block of this cheese. I like to use a regular mild cheddar. I like to use Monterey Jack cheese. I like to use Vermont sharp cheese. I like to use this macaroni and cheese blend. And another macaroni and cheese blend. So I just have to go get I need butter. I have the canned milk. So that's what I got for the macaroni and cheese. I have some sweet potatoes here. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes. Alright, I have some vanilla wafers. This is for the banana pudding. So I have these. Another box. I have my pudding. I have another one. And another one. So I just have to go back and get some bananas. Get some bananas for that. I have my canned milk for the macaroni and cheese, the pies. I have that. I have some more around here. I have my chicken broth for the stuffing. And chicken broth. One of them I have less sodium. Trying to do a little, don't want it too saucy. I have a box of elbow noodles. You know what that's for. That macaroni and cheese. So that's what that's for. I have some eggs here. 2 things of eggs. I have this. This is delicious, right, guys? The kids love this here. They love that. Can't go to the store without a box of ramen noodles. The kids love that also. Alright, guys, I got some mayonnaise, Hellmann's, of course, for the potato salad. I have some collard greens here. Collard greens. I have another bag of collard greens. Another bag of collard greens here. I have some brown sugar. We love brown sugar. That's for the sweet potato pies. And the ham, actually. So here is, if I can grab it. Ugh. Here's my ham. I'm not doing the most this year because, not many people is going to be coming by. So this is what the kids will be getting. It's a nice size ham too. Although the pack is in here with the brown sugar, I do like to make my own glaze as well. I do my own thing with this ham. And I have, some onions. Can't go wrong with the onions. I have some potatoes for my potato salad. That's for the potato salad. I have my green peppers, and I have the celery. I left it in the car. I have some celery, and of course the kids love the Hot Pockets. Can't go wrong with the Hot Pockets. You need that. I grabbed I grabbed some pork chops, thin sliced pork chops. Thin sliced pork chops. I grabbed some steak. Looks delicious. Here's another can of milk. Another leche. And of course you got to have the Gatorade here. Gatorade. What else? I have some waters. I have this. The kids love these. More Hot Pockets. Hot Pockets. Alright guys. Oh yeah, and my meatloaf packets, because I am going to be making some meatloaf today for dinner, and Junior's Lunchables. So this is what I have so far. The turkey is in the freezer. Turkey in the freezer. Alright guys, I'll see you back when I get done cooking for my Sunday dinner. Just wanted to show you guys my little grocery haul for today. I do have to go back to the store and get some more groceries, but hey, I'm giving you guys videos 2 times a week. Remember, 2 times a week I'm giving you guys videos, so why not? So I'm going to be cooking. I'm going to give you guys a little cooking video, you know, attached with this. And thank you guys for watching. Alright guys, so this is my second trip to the store. So I did just like purchase a few things. So I needed some pie crust. The store that I mainly get the pie crust from, they didn't have it, so I had to grab these from Walmart. They don't look too bad. You know, I can butter them up and make it how it should taste. So they should be alright. I have 3 of these. They're 2 a piece, so 6 pies. I have some dinner rolls here because the ones that I usually buy, they didn't have them, so I think I'm stuck with these here. Some vanilla extract, butter that I love. I love this butter. It's good for baking. Of course, Junior opened it up for me. Of course. And we have some sugar for the pies. I have some ribs that I'm going to be making for Thanksgiving as well. That I just got some oil, some cereal for the kids, more milk. Like I said, I needed more milk. Some juice for the kids, some relish. Remember, I needed that. Mustard. I needed that. Goodness. I needed the barbecue sauce for the ribs. I got a few paper towels. I got some pizza for the kids' lunch today. I got these because I like to grab these before I clock in for work. This is such an easy, so I don't have to cook breakfast. Grab one of these and clock in. I got Junior some of these. He loved these, of course. Lunchables. I got some toilet cleaner, which it was on sale, and I love bleach. Anything with bleach I love. So I have that, and I have a big case of water in the car. I have some plates over there. I'm not sure you can see. I bought plates. So yeah, that's it for the second round. So I'm getting closer to being finished for Thanksgiving dinner. Alright guys, so Thank you for watching.